Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a presentation on Canva application just using your phone. Okay, so first click the presentation design, this one, click it, and it will makes you have a fresh design of presentation. After that, wait for a moment. And now here, for example, I will try to make a presentation about Atlantic Ocean. So I need to add a photo of Atlantic Ocean. I already used this kind of ocean picture, this one. Then add it to the page and now click the image, and after that click this three dots button, swipe up, and then click set image as a background like this. Or if you want to make it much more complicated, you can adjust the size by your hand manually. Okay, so before you set the image as a background, you need to duplicate it first like this. Then on the first image, don't forget to set it onto a background, this one. And on the duplicated image, you need to click it and then click the Magic Studio button. And now you need to click BG remover to remove the background of the skies on this image like this. And as you can see, it will be look like that. And after that, adjust the size of the sea. Make sure that it's have a same size as the first picture that used on the background like this. And after that, now after you're done, you need to add a text, or maybe you can follow my tips, this one. Now you need to minimize the page if you're using phone, and then click duplicate. Here on the duplicated page, you need to add a text. For example, I will type Atlantic Ocean like this one. Swipe left to change the font, and I will try to use this Foda display font. And after that, move the text on top of the sea like this, and then adjust the size of it. I will try to make it much more small like this one. And after that, click the background, this one, and then click adjust button. And now swipe left the toolbar, then use the brightness and decrease the brightness onto 60 like this one. So you can see this one is still bright, and now it's a little bit dark. And after that, minimize again and duplicate the page one more time. And after that, you can swipe left here. For example, swipe left here and make the text bigger than before. And I will try to swipe down the C, the crop C, this one, and I will add a text. For example, I will type home of any kind, fish and sea creature, blue like a skies. And yeah, I think I will type like this. And now go back, and after that, adjust the size of the text like this. Wait for a moment. Okay, after you finish doing it, now swipe up and then click the text, the description of your presentation like this. Then swipe left, click format, and I will try to make it on the left side like this. And after that, this is the key of your presentation: adding a transition. How the way to add it? If you're using phone, you need to click this plus button and then click the transition. And for example, we will use this match and move, and then don't forget to check the apply between all page, then adjust the transition. For example, we will use maybe like 1.5 second, like this one, and now we can see the result, and it will be look like this. Okay, and that's the way how to make your presentation much more interesting using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.